Sometimes life feels like a loop. We all got stuck with the same routine repeating every day. In this video, I will be sharing my mindset and discipline which I follow to bring this spark back into my life and make every day very productive. It's very early morning today and we are going to have an amazing productive day. I was just this close to not getting up, but I told myself just get up and go. I know how great I feel after I wake up early in the morning. It literally just sets my tone for the day, make me feel amazing. And also I just love doing my morning rituals, waking up, drinking water, journal, praying. Those are my favorite things to do in the morning. So it kinds of gives me something to look forward to. Hello my pretty hustlers, welcome back to my channel. Welcome to the another series of Hustle with Shruti. Welcome to the another productive day in my life where I will be completing the most priority task today since it's Friday. And so I wake up at 5 a.m. and then I did have my detox water. In the detox water I had jeera pani for a change rather than having homemade ghee with lukewarm water. And then आज मैं जिम नहीं गई because it's my first day and I just want to take rest today. And so that's the plan for today. पहले to do list बनाते हैं कि क्या क्या priority काम है वो खत्म करना है. And then we will go make some dinner, breakfast. So to do list में आज priority task है check all the mails, and there are 2 tasks which I need to complete today and send the report by the end of the day. These are the 2 priority tasks from my office. Next is I do have to give clothes in my laundry. Next is और क्या करना है, breakfast बनाना है because I'm very hungry and I want to eat something healthy. So now it's around 8:30. पहले breakfast बनाएंगे. Breakfast बनाने के बाद I will prepare myself a detox water because it's very hot outside. We do need to be hydrated with a proper nutrition. That is the last thing. And at night, since it's Friday, I will do some skincare, I will do hair oiling, and that's what the plan for the day looks like. Let's get started. So while cooking today, I was having this thought like life can often feel like a loop. Every day the same activities. But do you know what can bring the spark to your life? Small changes. So that's why I say always embrace small changes. It's easy to underestimate the power of small changes, but sometimes as simple as taking a different route to work, trying a new recipe for dinner, or rearranging your workspace can break the monotony and it will help you feel alive. So today in breakfast I am having bread omelette for a change rather than having dal chawal. अराउंड 5:45. आज मैं थोड़ा जल्दी लॉग आउट कर ली. देखो ऐसा है ना, व्हाट आई रियलाइज्ड, बिकॉज मेरा काम करते हुए, अच्छे से प्रॉपर काम करते हुए अराउंड 6 to 7 months हुआ है, एंड आई रियलाइज्ड काम कभी खत्म नहीं होता. यू नो, तुम ऑफिस को अपना 100% वर्क भी करके दोगे ना, दे विल बी लाइक, डोंट, व्हाई यू डिड इट दिस वे, इट शुड बी डन दैट वे. या फिर रिसर्च मोर, डू मोर एनालिसिस, या फिर इट्स वेरी नाइस बट प्लीज इम्प्लीमेंट दिस मोर फीचर. सो काम तो कभी खत्म ही नहीं होगा, एंड देर आर अदर पीपल्स ऑल्सो वर्किंग. सो बट या, प्लीज डोंट ओवर बर्न योर सेल्फ. Don't overburn yourself. It's like if you are done, it's fine. Work between your working hours. For me, it's around 9 to 5. It's not 9 to 5. It's around 9 to then goes around 6, 7 to 8. But it's fine because I'm currently a fresher only. So I like to work and complete it, give it my 100% along with my learning sessions. KT sessions are also there. But yeah, after then give that time to yourself. Enough ज्ञान. रूम बहुत मैसी हो रखा है. पहले रूम सरियाते हैं, फेस वॉश करते हैं, क्लोथ्स चेंज करते हैं, थोड़ा कंफी क्लोथ्स में आते हैं, एंड देन लेट्स स्टार्ट डूइंग सम स्किन केयर. If you will ask me how I stay motivated, disciplined to be productive, the one advice I can give right now is, with my experience of course, is the mindset. It's very important to note that you have to rely on your discipline, not your motivation, because at the end of the day you're not always going to be motivated, right? But you can train yourself to be disciplined. That's why I'm saying, not motivation, it's discipline, guys. It's discipline. And by training, I mean to say is, talk to yourself and work on the things you have planned yourself for this year. If I talk about myself, it's for 2024. I have been trying to do a lot of positive mindset shifts. Two really important ones at the moment are just get up and go with the best version of myself. So recently I just wrote all of the quotes, positive thoughts which I will say to myself on a post-it notes and stuck them to my mirror. That's my desk, cause always pass on, I always keep on passing by that area. I'm always working there. So when I do, I read those, and again they will like little reminders for myself, that one mindset shift. I have been trying it. It's easy, and this cause work for literally any aspects of life. If you have a bunch of homework, it's easy. Want to get up at 5 a.m? It's easy. Want to go to gym? It's easy. Just do it. Obviously it's easier said than done, but always having that phrase in your mind, rather than like, oh my gosh, it's so hard, I can't do this. Just tell yourself that it's easy, you can achieve it, and I swear it works wonders, like the way you talk to yourself and the way you train to your mind. But my skin is feeling very fresh, you know. इतने गर्मी में I'm applying the natural ingredients, and it's literally, I'm feeling very fresh. So after then just I'm applying some ice. आँखों पे तो it's like a heaven. Just leave it for 5 minutes, and then you can apply the moisturizers and the other skincare you follow. How influencers do this?